back again because my phone sucks so much. Zoom in on the TV. And back to freaking the fuck out. Oh, God. Oh! Oh, new room. New room. Has to have something. Which one of you fucks has it? Oh, none of you fucks have it. It's over on the fucking wall. For no apparent goddamn reason. Going straight down that corridor now. Shut up, dude, on the other end of this fucking tape recorder. I'm tired of your goddamn shit. Straight ahead. No turns, no nothing. Just straight ahead. Sure, I'm gonna regret this. Nope. That's a fucking dead end. Of course it is. Why not? Why wouldn't it be? Don't know why it fucking wouldn't be. But it's not. It's not a dead end. Couldn't be. Couldn't be fucking... Why does it have to be a goddamn dead end? That's not a good sound. Ah! Fuck!